ATF. It's the lifeblood of your automatic transmission. So don't put just any fill tube or dipstick in your trans. Get the peace of mind that only a locking unit from B&M can offer. B&M's locking transmission dipsticks were designed to allow quick fluid level checks, and they feature level indicators marked right on the stick for easy reference. The B&M logo is milled right into the top of the cap to let everyone know that you mean business. The convenient knurling will give you a sure grip no matter how greasy your hands get. B&M units replace your factory tube and dipstick with a rugged, high-quality piece that'll bring you years of service and peace of mind with its convenient locking cap and limited lifetime warranty. The easy-to-use locking feature not only ensures that you'll have the fluid to make it home, the officials at the track will appreciate it too. Because if you plan to run 1099 or faster at an NHRA event, you better have a locking dipstick if you plan to pass tech. So don't trust your transmission to any old dipstick, sealed up with a locking unit from B&M. Trust B&M for all your transmission and shifter needs.